I've seen some camera hack videos lately that make me a bit questionable about what we're doing with our camera gear. This is a knife, and this is a camera. You don't put these things together. This isn't a food. Okay, I'm gonna put these down. Imagine if you're out shooting, right, and you're with your friend or anyone, even a model, especially someone that you've met for the first time. You're out in a shoot, and you're like, oh, I saw this video. It's a cool hack. Like, oh yeah, cool. We'll try it out. Like, yeah, it'll make the photos better. Oh yeah, well, what is it? And you pull this out, and you're like, yeah, can you stand over there? I feel like that scenario would have gone something like that, but with more police and jail time. My name is Mike, otherwise known as North Borders. You can check me out on Instagram. And today what I've done for you guys is I've put 5 camera hacks together that I personally use when I'm out shooting. So let's get into it. Before I sign off from this video, I just wanted to say that these camera hacks are not going to work for every single scenario. It all comes down to your personal preference, what you like to shoot, and how you like to shoot it. But with that all said and done, I hope I taught you something new today, and I'll see you in the next video.